What's up, guys? Since you absolutely loved the last two burping the alphabet videos with the funny dance, I am doing a third one. So here we go. Alright, hope you had fun with me. Time for the funny dance.